Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you the August kit from Shop Beautiful. It is called Beautiful 2.0 and it's an anniversary, a celebration for the anniversary of 5 years anniversary of the shop. So it's a big box, not the usual standard size of the kits that she usually makes, but I'm sure that this will be absolutely amazing. So let's dig in. All right, so the kit comes wrapped in this beautiful personalized wrapping paper or tissue paper with the logo and the name of the shop, which is Shop Beautiful. You open up and you are surprised with two beautiful things at the same time. So let me get this tissue paper out of the way and go item by item with you. Okay, so the first item is this nice little pen case. It's in pink with the logo of the shop on the front, and it has gunmetal hardware with this beautiful heart as a pendant. I love this. I'm gonna try and take this off here because I want to use it somewhere else, like on my planner. Opening this up, you get this sort of pen case, and it has my pretty pens embossed on the faux leather. Is it faux leather? I think it is. You have 4 pen loops here plus 4, so you can store 8 pens in total on this little pen case, which for me is not even it's not even a tickle, because I have way more pens than that. But it's a beautiful, you know, you can carry this around with you, put it on your planner pouch or something like that, and it will carry your favorite pens. And I'm really happy with the material. I do have some issues with the lining here, but that's okay. I don't expect these things to last, you know, years and years on. Then you have this beautiful black TN album, sticker album. It's a mix of both of them, but I have to say this material is so delicious, so sexy. If you watch my last video, you know what I'm talking about. It is so smooth, and I just feel like keep rubbing it like over and over again. I don't know what material it is. I don't think it's leather, and I honestly don't know, but it's soft, it's squishy, it's just beautiful. Once you open it up and you take this little thing off, my cats will love to play with this. So there they go. So you open it up, so it's like a folio, right? You have 1, 2, 3 big pockets or side pockets here. You have a big pocket on this side. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 strings, and in one of the strings you have this vinyl material with 2 top loading pockets on one side, 2 more top loading pockets on this other side, and here you have a little zipper pouch kind of situation going on. So it's good to store, I don't know what you're gonna store on it, but anyway. Then you have the album. So, oh, this is separate. So you have the album. This is it's like a, you can take this off. You can take it off from here, but I'm not going to. So you have this kind of a planner or album with this vinyl with the logo of the shop, to cover the plastic sleeves that would actually be your album. So it's top loading again, and it's around about 50 or 60 of them. You also get this B6TN insert sampler, and it's designed by Paperish Prints, exclusive for Shop Beautiful on their kit. And it just has like a weekly It's pretty much a weekly planner on the front or on half of the insert, and then you have your actual pen pen tracker. So you put the name of the pen, the release date, if it is a permanent addition to the store, a limited edition, or a kit pen, and you put notes about it. So I'm definitely not doing this at all, but it's also different in the sense that you have pages with different functions for tracking your pen, so permanent, limited, etc. And then it says got it, missed out, restock, yes or no. And then you have this kind of tracker, which is a month, kit name, theme, and favorite products. This is just for the kits. And then you have some grid pages on the back. Now, it's great. I like the week part of it, but I am not a huge pen tracker. I mean, this, if you are on that level of tracking, kudos to you. I couldn't track that sort of thing because I would go mental. It would be bad for my mental health. But it's a great insert. If you like it, you're on it for a treat. Now, the clutch also has 2 pockets on the side. One is the smaller pocket, which is the one that has that holds the sticker book. So it's a see-through kind of pocket. So if you stick your hand here, you're gonna see, you know, it's gonna come out. So it's not a pocket to hold anything, but next to it, you have a pocket that actually holds, it can hold your stickers or whatever. And you have also a pen loop here on the side. So that is the folio, and the color is beautiful. Oh, it's black. But the material is just, oh, so good. I really, really like it. But aside from that, you get the normal, quote unquote, normal kit. And you always have a little card, and this time they're just celebrating the 5 years of VB with some of the items from this kit. So it's kind of a mood board for the kit itself. It comes, her kits have been wrapped or stored in this sort of plastic folder with the little with this little thing here, this concussion here that I can't remember the name. And this is a very light taupe. It's a taupe kind of color, which I'm here for it lately. Yeah. So the design is this. So you have a collection of pretty things, keyboards, roses, washi tape, coffee, pens, and all of the good things in between. You get not 1 but 3 pens this time. So you always get the refills for the pens, that doesn't change. And this is the Beautiful kit itself. So let's talk one by one first. I want to talk about the page flags. So the page flags are transparent page flags. She always gives you this backing that you can just slip in a pocket or perforate and put on your ring bound planner. And again, her pens don't work on this kind of material. No pen that is not a permanent one doesn't work. So any gel pen or even ball pen, ballpoint won't work. But you have the pretty little flags here. I mean, I'm not a fan of these flags. Like, I'm not obsessed with them. So for me, this is just a pretty thing, but it doesn't mean that necessarily I would choose this to make a purchase, a separate purchase. But it's cute. So this is the transparent page flags. You have this cute little enamel pin, and it says, "Hello, I love pretty pens," which is really the case. You have this nice little sticky note, and it's from a brand called Stick With It. It's from America, I wouldn't have a clue. But it's a nice color, it's brownish, very dusty rose color with a pen on the side. And you have this keychain or key fob with, was it a key fob? I don't know what this is, guys. I think it's to put on the folio, but yeah. And you can carry it like a clutch, so you can just put your hand and you carry it like a clutch, but yeah. But it has the logo of the shop or the name of the shop embossed on the leather, and it's also gunmetal kind of metal finish. Then you have the, I'm gonna show the washi because I like to show the washi. So you always get two washi. Sometimes it's transparent washi, sometimes it's just with actual design. And this time is this 15mm one is just a bunch of pens with the Shop Beautifull logo. So a depiction of the pens with rose gold. And this one is just a marble geometric effect with also rose gold. You get your sticker book, and this time I didn't buy the papers because papers to me with the collection that I have are just a waste of money and time, but that's for now because I have a bunch of them. So the sticker book always comes with a bunch of stickers. You can see all of the pages that you get. So you get 9 pages, you get a full box deco, everyday icons, full boxes, half boxes, headers, themed deco, checklist flags, miscellaneous stickers, and miscellaneous stickers too. So this is the cute little deco sheet, and then you have your full boxes, the icons, half boxes, headers, more deco, miscellaneous, and miscellaneous. So that is the sticker kit or sticker book. And you can just put them in this folio for sure, it fits. I've seen it online. Then you have this new thingamabob which is called transparent bar stickers. What do you mean by bar stickers? I'm confused. So these are headers, they are not bars, they're headers. I don't know if they're 1.5 inches, but they certainly look like it. Then you have the shape stickers. So hexagons, squares, circles, stars, and arrows. You have the shape stickers too, which are flags, checks, hearts, and asterisks. You have the icon stickers. I don't know if you can see the icons because they are on a white color. The icon symbol is on white. It's really hard to see on this pink one, for example. It's just like you can't see it at all. It does a nice contrast with the black, but yeah, it just doesn't work. But anyway, you have the transparent corner stickers, and I love these. They're really, really cute. So they are cut off on the corners. Then you have the transparent word stickers, and these words are so tiny. So you have Beautifier planner, today's agenda, focus on the plan, VB pens, important things to do, style my planner, VB kit order, time for me, let's celebrate weekend plans, out to run errands, don't forget to do, get it done, note to self, grocery shopping, busy day ahead, laundry, wash and fold, and it goes on and on and on, but it's really, really, really small. Like really small. So I have some scripts that I made myself that are small, but this one is next level. And finally you have the washi strips, which for me are an absolute waste of time, because what are you gonna do with this? Like seriously, what are you gonna do with this? I don't understand. But hey, maybe I can find some. Oh, actually, I can use them as headers against the full boxes, I hope. Yeah, I can do that, so it's not actually a waste of time. But the thing that we love the most about this kit, at least me, are the pens. Yay! So usually she's blah, blah. Usually she sends only one pen, but this time, because it's an anniversary, she sends 3. And she could have sent 5, you know, just saying, just putting it out there. That it could have been 5 for 5 years. I don't know. Maybe 10 years we'll get 5 of them. Anyway, I have no idea the names of these, but this one is in rose gold. The metal is rose gold. The barrel is filled with crystals in iridescent, white or clear, and some sort of pink. Yeah, but it's pretty. It's not like out of this world, but it's a whole rose gold barrel, and it's really, really pretty. Then you have this maroon or chocolate kind of metal, or chocolate kind of yeah, I'm gonna call it metal, guys. You have the rose gold accents, but this bit here of the pen is a chocolate, a matte chocolate, and it's absolutely gorgeous. The crystals are again iridescent and some sort of what color is this? It's a rose gold kind of crystal plus the iridescent. This pen is so luxurious. It's like a candy bar. And then you have the little third pen, which is probably my favorite. I love these kind of colors, this nude kind of color and or skin tone. And it's also rose gold again with the pink and the yellowish kind of crystals, and again it's a matte finish, and mine is actually damaged, which is not okay, so time to contact them. But that being said, it's really, really pretty. I'm really happy with it, and it's a beautiful kit to celebrate a wonderful time in someone's life. I mean, having a shop, a planner shop for 5 years is probably not easy. I wouldn't be able to do it at all because it's too much work, too much hassle, and yeah, there are a lot of crazy people out there. I would just not be able to be a nice person to people who are not nice. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry if it was really quick, but I'm in the middle of work, so I just paused to do this video for you guys. I hope you are okay. I hope you have a wonderful week ahead of you. Stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notifications to get notified every time I post a new video, which occurs twice a week, every week. Thank you so much, guys. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you have a wonderful day. Love you, Lottles. Bye.